Hi guys, so we are gonna be.
See, he's trying to take over. Listen, I'm gonna be trying to teach you today how to bleed brakes. All right, so today we're gonna be coming to you. I'm trying to teach my grandson a little something about how to bleed the brakes. So I'm gonna go through with him how I want him to do this. So put your foot on the brake. Do you know which one the brake is? Yes, that's the brake. Let me see if I can zoom in. Put your foot on the brake. There you go. All right.
So I'm gonna have to press it 5 times.
Yeah. So push it down. Pull it back up. Push it down again. Pull it back up. Do it again. 3, 4. Pull it all the way back up. 5 and then hold it in, push it in and hold it. All right, and then you're gonna hold it till I tell you release and pump 5 more times. Do you get that? I'm gonna be in the back. So you're gonna push 5 times and then you're gonna hold it down until I tell you to release, okay? So let's practice this one more time. Pump it 5 times. You count.
1.
No, go slow. Push it all the way down.
1.
There you go.
2, 3, 4, 5.
But see, when you get to 5, you got to hold it down until I tell you to release it. So try it again.
1, 2.
No, you got to pull it all the way back up.
Okay. We start.
Take your time.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Got to push it all the way down. You're only pushing it halfway down. Scoot closer if you have to.
1, 2.
There you go.
3, 4, 5.
But when you get to 5, what are you supposed to be doing?
Holding it.
Yeah, don't let it back up when you get to 5, okay? Until I tell you to release. So try it one more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, release. All right, so that's how we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna go back here now. We're not gonna be practicing no more. And remember, you gotta push it down, let it back up.
Push it down, put it
5 times. Don't be doing nothing else. You ain't trying to drive now. You got a few more years before you can operate the stereo and drive and all of that. But we're gonna get you there too. So all right, come on, concentrate. 5 times. Go ahead. Don't close the door. Just do what I'm telling you to do. 5 times. Pump it.
1. Wait, let me reset this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold it. All right, pump it 5 more times and do the same thing. Hold it on number 5.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold it. You holding it down?
Yep.
All right, that one's done. No more fluid. There's no more bubbles on that side. So now I just got to do this other side, and you will have successfully helped Granddad bleed the brakes. All right, pump it 5 times and hold it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold it. All right, pump it 5 more times and hold it.
1, 2, 3, 4,
You holding it?
Yep. Is it good?
Just hold on. All right, we still got air coming out. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna put some more brake fluid in here.
Guys, now we're gonna do it again.
Pump it 5 times and hold it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold it. All right, let it up. You gotta hold it all the way down on number 5. Now go again one last time. It looked like it's coming out pretty good here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold it. All righty. Thank you.
Alright, guys.
See, you probably out the camera while you moving around.
Alright, guys, we got this. We're done. So subscribe. And, yeah.
I have to come back because he's curious about what's going on the other end. All right, so what happens, little Junior, is back here, I got this hose and I got this hooked up on here. Okay? So when you pump it 5 times, I'll open this up and the brake fluid come down in here, and what I'm looking for is to see if bubbles are coming in this tube. So when you holding it 5 times, I open this up. If I see bubbles, that means you have to do it again. So that's what's going on this end. I'm glad you asked me that. That means you're willing to learn. Nope, the other way. Got to put them on this way, look.
That
Like
way?
that, yeah. You see why that is?
Yeah.
You see on the rim? You're going the wrong way. Screw, whenever you screw, you want to screw this way. So
This way?
you want to screw this way. You want to put it on and screw this way.
Okay.
That way. So you screw this one on the same way. Here you go. Try a new one. I already did that one.
Got this bad baby good. You wouldn't be working. You wouldn't be working on cars. Where do you work at?
I drive semi.
Hmm?
I drive semi.
Why do you drive semis? Hmm? Oh, you mean you work at cars? You work on cars?
I work on cars as a pastime, as a hobby.
Hobby?
As a hobby.
What's a hobby?
Hobby.
Hobby?
Hobby is something you like to do. Finish putting the screws in. You don't have to screw them all the way in, just screw them up there. I'm going to put them on with an air gun.
I don't want what is an air gun? Hmm?
Just put the screws on there.
Will you show me?
I'm going to show you. All right, come on. I'm going to show you how to do the air gun. Now, when you're putting the tire on,
That's too much. No, you do it.
look, when you're putting the tire on, you want to
Get on my back.
do 1,
2.
then you skip across, and then you come here, here, and here. You don't want to go in a row like this because the tire could be off and it'll be shaking, and eventually you'll break your lug. So you always want to go on a cross pattern. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how do you do it? Show me.
1, 2, 3.
No. And what I showed you.
1, 2, 3.
No. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, 4 is here.
4, 5.
You always want to go the farthest one from the last one you did. So look, no, we got to get this right before you do the air gun. 1, pay attention to my hand. Don't worry about nothing else than what I'm trying to teach you. Look, 1, 2.
We gotta do that one.
See, you know one thing about people, you never learn nothing if you don't listen. So you gotta listen to learn, okay? So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you show me.
1, 2, 3.
No.
1.
Now see, if you don't learn it right, I'm not gonna be able to have you help me.
Is that?
It don't matter. It don't matter if you start here. If you start here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It don't matter where you start.
2, 3.
No.
1, 2, 3.
No. Is it that complicated? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now show me again.
1, 2, 3. No.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5.
Do it one more time. Make sure you got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Exactly. So now you want to start tightening. It's heavy. So you got to put it on here. Here, grab it. Hold it. Pick it up. You want to do it, pick it up, put it on there. Now, don't press nothing until I tell you. Hold this right here. And then look. You want to turn this to it, go on there. Then you press the button.
Right now?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. 1. And you come here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Good. Now you got it. That's how you do that. Okay?
Now we gotta go in the middle.
Yeah, I'll let you do the other ones, but you got to remember the system.
Okay.
All right.
It is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I remember.
You remember?
Yes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5.
you got it. You are the man. Start up there. 1, 2. Keep going. 3.
3. And now
A bit more. Yep. 4.
4,
A bit more. And 5.
5.
A bit more.
I was struggling. 3.
Yeah, you struggling.
Huh?
You struggling.
I got this.
You got it.
I got this tire. Then we gotta put it on.
Screwing them on wrong from the start is going to mess up the threads. Turn it the other way. There you go.
You got thread. You still recording the video? Trying to do that? Yeah, if you see I'm dirty lying. That's because I'm working. I'm not here. You look like I just got burnt.
So you concentrating on everything but your work. You worried about your hands instead of worried about putting the lug nuts on there.
It's not going in.
It's because you worried about everything but what you should be worried about. Concentrate on your work. What are you, left-handed or you right-handed?
I'm left-handed.
'Cause that's
I'm
what
heavy-handed. I'm on both hands.
Well, you use whatever hand you are. That's the only way it's going to go on there right. You got to use whatever hand if you left-handed or you right-handed. Where the last one at? Tighter. There you go. 4. A little bit tighter. A little bit tighter. That's good. Don't put your, now take your hand off of there and just pick this up and come off. Pick this back up and pull back. Real easy. I know it's heavy, but All right, now you can go wash your hands. Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
You did a grade A job. All right, so I just wanted to show my grandson how to bleed the brakes today and how to put a tire on the car. So
I did it one time, guys.
it's a lot of guys don't just. I'm a truck driver. I drive up and down the road. You see people, they don't know how to change a tire.
But
It's not a good thing.
But since me and my granddad does, we work as a team.
Oh, you heavy. So I'm just trying to teach him a little thing. He seemed to be interested in cars a little, or maybe he just like helping granddad or working. Which one is it?
Helping my granddad.
Helping your granddad. So just, and what does granddad do?
Work on cars.
He work on cars. So you want to help granddad out. I love this little man. Love all my grandkids, all my kids, but this one seemed to don't mind being out here and learning a few things, so I plan to teach him.